salty. Ah, cool. Yeah, so we're slicing the two fillets of chicken, and we are using Algin's chicken, which is a sponsor of chicken at Forfeit, which we're proud to have on board. And we're just now going to put it into a bowl and marinate that with cornflour, just a little bit, just to, this actually tenderizes the chicken breast. Let's toss it in. Right. Leave that aside. And then for the paste, now I'm doing the cheat version. I can do the long version, but I'm going to show you so that you can do this at home easily. I've just got half a red onion, the onion is quite large. Okay, so we're going to have a teaspoon of paprika. Fish sauce, box. This is your seasoning. This is quite salty. And then I've got about a tablespoon of red curry paste that I'm putting into there. And that's, you get these little sachets at the Chinese stores or the supermarkets. And while I'm going to do this, I'm going to just soak that into some hot water. It needs about 10 minutes to soak, and it literally is 2 blocks of the rice noodles. You get about, I think if I'm not mistaken, about 6 in a packet. You're going to use 2. This is perfect for a starter for 4 people or a main course for 2. And then you just take the boiling water and you're just going to cover your noodles in boiling water. And then just leave them over there to soak. We are now going to blend this mixture through. Paste. And we want all that garlic and ginger blended finely. So we've got this beautiful smooth paste. As I'm saying, this is the cheats version. If you come to one of my classes, I'll show you how to actually make this paste from scratch. But you need all the ingredients from, most of them from the Asian stores. So this is an easier version, it's quick, great to make for dinner. If you want a starter, at the moment with lockdown, it's probably one or two of us at home, so this is actually perfect. And if you see it, it's a nice paste. Put that aside, and what we're going to do is just heat that up. so we've melted our coconut butter. We're going to take our paste, all of it. We're going to fry it on a low heat. Get all those flavors out. Just for about 2 or 3 minutes, we're going to just toast that. So the onion cooks and the garlic and the ginger. Nice toast to that. Let it cook a little bit, and then we're going to add and stir in our stock. More. The fragrant smells are delicious. And add our chicken stock. It's 1.5 cups. And I'm going to add a tin of coconut milk. And then you let that just simmer for a couple of minutes. Get those flavors all good. I'm just going to taste that. What it does need is a little bit more fish sauce. Just boil up. You can see now the noodles are actually slowly steaming. Give another couple of minutes, and then I'm going to drain that water off, and that is ready. I'm going to bring that to the simmer, up to the boil. We're going to add our chicken. So that's simmering nicely now. We're going to put our chicken in here. We're going to take the kaffir lime leaves and just bruise them, put them in. Got 2, I think these are from the garden. Down. I'm going to add the chicken. Just let that cook for a couple of minutes. And let that cook. The chicken. This chicken will cook very, very quickly. Bring it up to the simmer again. Just bring it there. In the meantime, we're going to get our garnish ready. I've got some mild chilies from the garden, just at an angle, just slice them. You can make this as hot as you like, or as mild as you like. And then we're going to add some, lime zest. So now the chicken's been cooking for about 5 minutes, and we just want to get that lime zest in. And limes are quite cheap at the moment. I saw in the shops there's whole boxes at Food Lovers. So just going to do that, and then we're going to get the lime juice out and squeeze, because we want that balance of that, a little bit of that acidity. And then I've soaked the noodles 10 minutes. I've thrown the water out. We're now going to throw the noodles into that. And just let that cook for another couple of minutes. Get those noodles flavors in there. We'll carry on with our garnish. I've got some chives from the garden. I'm going to just cut them in an angle as well. And then I've got some of the actual flowers that I'm going to use as well. And I've got some coriander leaves. And some bean sprouts. Just let that cook up now. Literally 2-3 minutes. Just want to get those noodle flavors in. I'm just going to taste this seasoning. Just turn that down. It's brilliant. What I would like to do is add some pepper. It does not need salt because I added that extra little bit of fish sauce just earlier on. Just some of the pepper. Turn that down to a low simmer. And that is done. I'm going to take our bowl. Make sure we get some of that chicken. Just leave it off. Those noodles. Of course. Just clean up the bowl. And I'm going to put some sprouts in there. We're going to put just a couple of these chilies. We're going to put some of the coriander and the chives, and then just a couple of those flowers on the top, and that is done. Perfect.